Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and a 10-speed shiftable A transmission. This Ford has less than 118,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include trailer tow package, appearance package, auxiliary audio input, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.